Hey people, so as part of this whole thing of discovering these new places in Hyderabad and in thing, so I'm in this place in Maritpalli, and it's called, I'm here with the, like I said, the love of my life, my sunshine. And take a look at this. Yeah, it's supposed to be, it's right next to this the judges quarters, and it's called the Freemason Society. So my son feels this place looks haunted, but I personally think it's quite interesting. And look at the tree here, you know. So yeah, this is in Maritpalli, West Maritpalli, and I think if it's fun checking out these different sort of places. So Ayush, you'd like to say something?
No.
my my kid is not so keen about being here, but anyway, so this is in Maritpalli, and it's a unique place indeed. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.